This is a revelation that I have. This is how pale I've gotten. I mean, look at my arms and look at my face. I probably should have put the makeup on and then did a reveal like, whoa, here I am. Hi guys, welcome back to LmV&x family. If you're new, thank you for tuning in. Today is all about foundation and trust me, I think it's gonna be a funny one. But before I do, please subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified whenever I post new content. In one of my videos that I posted last week, I talked about traveling to Jamaica. Do you guys see how pale my skin is? This is not gonna last very long. This skin needs sun, okay? So I've always had two foundations. One for when I'm in the UK, which is this one. You see how pale this is? And this one for when I'm in Jamaica. I don't want to waste my primer since I'm just gonna wipe it off. I don't want to waste the primer right now. Things and time odd. So yes guys, Matteo and I are going to Jamaica soon and we're gonna be in Jamaica for a year. It comes as a shock to a lot of people because they don't know this, but Edward and I, even before Matteo was born, we vowed to make sure that Matteo is cultured both in the UK and in Jamaica. He's half Jamaican, half British. Now that he's young, I want to make use of him being able to go back and forth because I'm sure when he gets to a certain age, we won't be able to take him out of school. So we're just making use of it. We're gonna go for a year. He's gonna go to preschool for a year in Jamaica, which I think will do him good. I want him to get used to the culture in Jamaica. I want him to learn patois. I want him to get used to the food, the people, the environment. And the only way that's gonna happen is if he's in Jamaica. Like, I can teach him so much when I'm here, but you get the authentic feeling when you are in Jamaica. And I'm sure he will enjoy it. He will, because he loves the beach. Every evening when he comes home from preschool, he's like, Mommy, because he used to say Jamaica. Now he's saying, Mommy, you're going to Jamaica, Jamaica. So he's kind of saying it now. Anywho's, let me try and put this. Let me just put it on. I'll talk to you in the meantime. So yeah, we are very excited about this trip. And besides, I could do with, trip to Jamaica. Look how dark it is on my face, guys. Look already, like, it's like, it is such a different shade. Let me see what number this is. This is 8.0. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what the difference is. Or maybe I should have put it half and half. That's what I should have done. And as I said, guys, I don't have that much in the other foundation, but I didn't really see the sense of buying any because by the time I go to Jamaica and I'm there for a couple weeks, my skin is gonna get so much sunshine. I won't have any need for the foundation that I use in the UK. And besides, I don't wear makeup very often, so it can stay. I won't put too much on my face. Mind you, it doesn't look too bad. It makes me, looking at it now, it makes me look like I've gotten some sun, which that's not the case. Because if you look at my neck and my arms, it looks wrong, doesn't it? I can't even look at myself without laughing. This is what my foundation looks like when I'm in Jamaica. After a few weeks, this will be perfect for me. But when I get there, it's not like I'm gonna be wearing makeup. It's normally so hot in Jamaica, you don't really need makeup unless it's in the evening and you're going to a function or event or going clubbing or whatever. Okay, so this is what the foundation looks like, and I'm coming closer so that you guys can see. So you see how different it is in comparison to my neck and my arms, for example. You see? Hello. Yeah, it's a huge difference. So I'm gonna wipe this off and you can see the difference, guys. I mean, seriously, look at the huge difference. It's like chalk and cheese. So I told you guys that there's not much in this, but look at the difference. And mind you, I was thinking that I need to go and get a different shade for my face because Even though I have yellow undertone, let's say yellow undertone skin, I feel like this is way too yellow for my skin tone. So this I would have changed. Oh, damn thing fell off in there. But anyways, guys, let me just show you the difference. I can't get much out of it, but you see the difference? And this is not a lot of foundation on my face, but when I put foundation on, this is what I normally go for. I don't do it so it's caked on. I normally do it so it's like a minimal kind of look, almost natural, if that makes sense. Yeah, so this is my foundation that I use in the UK. Do you see the difference, guys? I mean, the difference is real. Anyways, let me know what you think of this video, guys, and please remember to click like, subscribe, and all of that jazz, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. So I'm going to try on this today, and you're gonna laugh your head off because I haven't used it in a while, and I will talk to you about my Jamaica trip as I get on. But I've only put some, I wanted just to put some lotion on my face because, or moisturizer. I don't want to waste my primer since I'm just gonna wipe it off. So give me a minute. I'm using Nivea 3-in-1 caring wipes, but I prefer the Johnson's, but they didn't have it. And this one, when I use this wipes, it kind of burns my skin a bit. But it's what I have, so. Funny enough, even though I was in the modeling world, I've always disliked makeup. I think it was me going into modeling, I end up wearing makeup a bit more than I used to. But I still don't like makeup. I don't.